seen the best go, cause he ain't had that metal. I'm a hustler, a pusher's pusher. You a buster, a customer. I get you some cooker. Yeah, crack is a chemist. I pack an 11, I'm macking a 7. I clap at your revving. I see you in NY, I send you an invite. You gon' need you a pass, that's the code that we live by.
Yeah, I'm in this bitch with terror. Got a head full of stacks, better grab an umbrella. I make it right, I make it right. I'm in this bitch with terror. Got a head full of stacks, better grab an umbrella. I make it right, I make it right. Make it rain on them hoes, I make it right, I make it right. I make it rain on them hoes, I make it right, I make it right. I make it rain on them hoes, I make it right, I make it right. I make it rain on them hoes.
Clap, clap, clap. Gotta make that ass clap. Gotta make that ass clap. Clap, clap, clap. Yeah, clap. Gotta make that ass clap. Yeah, make that ass clap. Yeah. Now why is everybody so mad at the Southpaw? Change your style up, switch to Southpaw. Jada, I was listening, so I made him an anthem to make some dividends. Lil Mama Chai hit me with that shoulder lean. This cook crack and I control a team. Couple bricks stacked on that triple beam. My dirty bro sipping that promethazine. That ganja green, that Cali weed. A nigga lose his life, try roll on me now. Yep, we get it. No ifs, ands about it. And the rain keep falling, even when it's jotted.
Yeah, I'm in this bitch with terror. Got a head full of stacks, better grab an umbrella. I make it right, I make it right. I'm in this bitch with terror. Got a head full of stacks, better grab an umbrella. I make it right, I make it right. Make it rain on them hoes, I make it right, I make it right. I make it rain on them hoes, I make it right, I make it right. I make it rain on them hoes, I make it right. I make it rain on them hoes.
Mommy's body's banging, she got it, man, she does it all. She gets it popping with no hands, I make it pour. I make it rain on them, I'm laying game to them. I'm guessing misses the tattoo, my name on them. Gotta get that baby love, gotta get my paper up. Gotta see strap case, that's hate crack, and wanna rain on us. And you know what it is, yeah, it's them powder kids. And we know how to bid, so we don't give a shit.
Yeah, I'm in this bitch with terror. Got a head full of stacks, better grab an umbrella. I make it right, I make it right. I'm in this bitch with terror. Got a head full of stacks, better grab an umbrella. I make it right, I make it right. Make it rain on them hoes, I make it right, I make it right. I make it rain on them hoes, I make it right, I make it right. I make it rain on them hoes, I make it right, I make it right. I make it rain on them hoes.
Kelka, TSBX niggas, kill it. Scott Storch, my nigga. Yeah.
Amazing, it's 1 in a million, baby. It felt great, there's no other feeling like this right now. It was a big accomplishment, we just played real hard, and I just can't believe we did it. I mean, we've lost it in the past 4 years, and this is just big for us. As a senior class, we just won it, you know.
Each and every Sunday, we team up with our friends at CalHighSports.com to bring you the CBS 47 Cal High Sports Zone and our high school football team of the week. This week, a lot of blue in the house. It's the Buchanan Bears. Let's show you why the Bears are our team of the week. Teams weren't thinking about you too much. You had 3 tough losses early to Sarah, Bakersfield, and Edison, 3 of the best teams in the state. So maybe you're overlooked a little bit. How confident were you going into that game against a team that you know pretty well over the years?
Well, we felt like we had a great opportunity to beat them the other night. They're a very good football team, one of the best defensive football teams around. But we've been getting better, and you know, it's nice when you're improving to reap the benefits a little bit. So yeah, I felt like the 3 losses we had early in the year were against good teams.
And the Bear defense played pretty tough the other night, too, as you saw from those highlights. You also saw big Jake Henderson doing some damage. Jake, you haven't been in there every play this year. There's some time where you had to go back to the bench, then you're back in there. Do you feel like you have a different attitude now that you've been inserted back into that starting lineup?
I do. We started out, me and Lance switching off and just figuring out who fit best in our offense. And I've been playing a lot more, and I feel more comfortable with what we've been doing.
He looked pretty comfortable Friday night with that huge